part of the scene that they used in the movie.
Should I try again?
Whenever you want to take a picture, you can try.
It's a tunnel.
You don't have to take it of
Wait, it
this.
says tunnel. Wait till I get close enough that you can read it.
Alright.
Alright, okay, good. Got it.
Flashed them off. That's okay.
Oh, I think I'm finished. This is finished.
Yeah,
So
it is.
I have to get the other one out of the trunk of the car.
And then when we come out of the tunnel, you'll see the other side of the island. And hopefully it's not too cloudy, but you can get a good view of K Bay, and it's pretty. Very, very nice. The Marine base really has a good area for their base.
This reminds me of New York. That tunnel they have over there.
Yeah.
It used to scare me every time we had to go in it. Because you could see leakies, little water coming through the sides of it. It scared the hell out of me.
Well, this is going through a mountain, so no water, just mountain.
No, in New York it's going through the water.
Right. And then down, I don't know if I can get over now because I might have to exit soon. Yeah, I do in 2 miles, but can you see? It's kind of hard to see the bay over there.
Yeah.
You see it?
Beautiful.
Isn't that pretty?
Yes. Beautiful.
There you go. You get another view of it.